guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be an exciting DIY showing you how to convert your tank tops into beautiful bodysuits. Now, I absolutely hate the feeling of wearing a top and everything's riding up. You can't see what's going on. It ain't a cute look, so I'm going to show you how I've converted all my tank tops into bodysuit, and it's really simple. You're gonna love it. Let's get started. Things you're going to need: obviously the top you're going to be converting, a pair of scissors, some E6000 glue. I got this from a friend who got it for me in the US, but you can get one off eBay. Just make sure it's legit. And you need some panties as well to mark your outline. Now I'm putting my underwear on top of my top and then marking the sides. That way I can cut the shape of a bodysuit. You feel me? So yeah, I'm using my teacher's chalk. You can use tailor's chalk if you have some. Where do you get tailor's chalk in Nairobi? I'm not even sure, but whatever. Now you need to cut along the lines. Make sure you're really careful with this. As I said, or as I say a million times, I'm really slow at cutting. So enjoy that bit. Now all you're going to do is take some fabric glue, your E6000, whatever you're going to be using, and I'm just going to stick the bottom parts together, and that's it. How simple is this? I know I say that with every DIY, but this time I mean it. This is legit very, very simple. Make sure that the glue is very firmly stuck together, and now we can move on to making the second bodysuit. And I'm doing literally the same exact thing, taking my underwear, tracing the sides, cutting up, fabric glue, you're good to go. This honestly is such a simple DIY, but it makes all the difference because you don't want to be sitting down, you don't want to be bending over and things are showing. Honestly, bodysuits are a fave of mine. My closet is full of bodysuits, all types of bodysuits. You can definitely make this into a thong if that's what you'd like. And there you go. That's all you need to do. This is legit so simple. I love this DIY. As I mentioned, I've completely transformed all my tops, and that's how it's gonna be. I don't need to buy bodysuits. You do know bodysuits are more expensive, so just buy tank tops, convert them. There's a life tip for you that's gonna save you money. And for this second bodysuit, the gray one, you can wear it the other way around, have the back come to the front. Look at that, have some side boob showing. It just looks like a completely different top. It looks amazing. I love this hack, and I hope you guys enjoyed learning it too. Anyway, hope you enjoyed watching the video, and that I'll catch you in my next one. Until then, bye.